confused with life right now.
Wait, it's starting?
I'm running this game like Bugsy I'm running this game like Bugsy I'm running this game like Bugsy
Yep, that happened. Hey guys, it's Dani and Tess. She's Tess.
And she's Dani.
I'm Dani.
I'm not letting her explain anything today because she's not the boss of me. Boom.
I actually am the boss of her. So yeah.
Hey.
So we're coming back today with a fun video called What's That Sound? What was that sound? We're gonna take turns picking out. He just broke that sound. We're gonna take turns picking out different objects that we're gonna set aside, and then so like we'll have 5 rounds. She'll have 5 objects. I'll be blindfolded, and she'll make the noise, and I'll have 3 guesses to guess what that sound is. And then so on, we get a point, and then I do the 5, and whoever gets the most points, gets the most guesses correct, wins. As always, don't forget to check out our Instagram. It's Dani _and_Tess. T-E-S-S without the A. Also, make sure you subscribe down below and give us a thumbs up. See if you can guess all the sounds. If you do, make sure you give a thumbs up and let us know that you guessed all the sounds. If you want to know when we're releasing videos, just make sure you hit what?
The bell. Ding ding.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I was let in here blindfolded. I'm not moving in case I accidentally bump anything, but now she has her 5 objects, and I'm going to have to guess what it is. I have 3 turns. So, round 1.
Round 1. Ready?
Okay, do one more. Are you ripping a paper towel?
Yep.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay. All right, round 2. I got 1 point so far. Is that a bottle of water?
Nope.
Is that plastic container?
Yep.
Yeah? Yay! I'm
Definitely a hummus container.
Okay, so is that from my snack earlier? Yeah. Hummus and carrots. It's a very good snack, guys. If you want a snack, have some hummus and baby carrots. All right, round 3.
Ready?
Ready. Oh, jeez.
One more time.
Yeah. Is it a jar of marbles?
No.
Is it a box of candy?
No.
I got one more guess.
Yep.
Is it beads? Like your little beads that you decorate with? Jewelry?
Nope.
What is it?
Peanuts.
Peanuts?
Yeah.
Put it in my hand. Is that peanuts? Oh, that's peanuts. Peanuts! 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 Okay, we got peanuts. Right, so that was round 3. I've got 2 points, but I missed the 3rd one, right?
Yes.
So this is round 4. 4!
Ready?
Ready. Are you eating celery? Ah, I just dropped on my leg. Are you eating a carrot?
Nope.
You're eating a chip.
Yep.
Yeah! I got I knew it was something.
Yep.
I was hoping it'd be more healthy than a chip, but is it a tortilla chip at least?
No. I mean, kind of. It's from the park.
Okay, so it's a tortilla chip. So tortilla chips are okay. All right, so this is my last round.
Yep.
So I've gotten 4 right. No, 3 right. I missed one. Okay.
Ready?
Ready. What the flip? Okay, it's a water bottle. You're spraying me with the water bottle. A mister that we got for our strawberries.
Yes.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough water. Stop it! I already showered today, people. Oh,
Oh my god.
all right. Gosh.
Gosh.
So I got 4 out of 5. So 4 points for me. There's a lot of water that comes out of there. We're gonna have to adjust the misting on that thing. Okay, I'm gonna go pick up my items and then we're gonna blindfold her
I want to drink
and we'll be
it.
right
I want to drink
back.
So, yeah.
Good? Okay, so stop trying to cheat. Are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
They better be.
Yeah. I can't see
Okay,
it.
well keep your head tilted that way just in case. So I've got my 5 items.
Is the light right there?
Kinda, but you're fine. And she's gonna have to try to guess. Now remember, I got 4 points on my turn. So we'll see if you can get 4 points on your turn. All right, you ready? She's gotta beat 4 points actually.
Can you not put anything on
I'm not
me?
gonna put anything on you.
Pinky?
Pinky.
Where's your pinky?
Okay.
Here.
Look that way. Are you ready?
Yep.
Number 1.
What?
You need to hear it again?
Yeah. Are you spraying something?
No, that's one guess.
Rubbing something?
Rubbing something?
Yeah.
No.
Bug spray?
Nope, that was 3 guesses. It was
Can I
writing.
lift it up?
No, because you'll see the other things. No. It was writing on your notepad with a Sharpie.
Oh!
Alright, so 0 for 1. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Head that way.
Are you shaking a liquid?
Yeah, I'll give you that one. It's ketchup. I'm shaking a ketchup bottle.
That's a
Always shake your ketchup before you
Sounds
use
like
it.
a science thingy.
Yep. Alright, so she's got 1 right so far. You ready?
Are you crunching up paper?
Close. Let's see if you can be a little more specific.
Let's feel it.
No, you can't feel it. It's a listening game.
Are you ripping something?
Alright, you gotta guess.
Last guess?
Yep.
What is it?
You gotta stop peeking. Keep your head that way. What do you think it is?
Oh, what is it?
Do you think we should give her the crunching up paper? Would you technically aluminum foil?
Okay, this is starting over my eyes, so I'm
gotta
gonna
keep
look
it-
this way though.
Keep your eyes closed and it won't hurt. When you peek and try to open your eyes, it hurts. That's the magic of the blindfold, so I know if you're peeking. All right, here's your next one. You ready?
Yep.
Turn your head the other way.
Are you ripping tape?
No.
Sharpening a pencil.
Yes, but stop turning your head. I
I'm pinky.
All right, but yes, I was sharpening a pencil manually. Let's see if she can get this one. If she gets this one right, then we tie. If she doesn't get this one right, then I win. You ready?
You're going.
Okay, but what's making the sound?
What?
What do you think this is? Hello, how are you?
What?
Welcome to Hotel Transylvania. What do you think it is?
Oh my gosh, what is it?
Take a guess. You got 3 guesses. What's your first guess?
Ow! Is it a bottle?
Nope.
It hurts. You hit my butt cheap.
I tried to give you a hint. What do you think it is? You got two more guesses.
Plastic bottle?
Nope. You guessed bottle already. You got two more guesses.
Ah!
Choo choo!
You're holding like one of those rolls, kind of like toilet paper, just longer and going.
So a paper towel roll?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. So we're tied.
Can I open my eyes now?
Yeah, you can open your eyes now because you know what? I've got a bonus round for her.
Ah.
If you can guess what this is, then I'll let you win. Because right now we're tied.
Whew, my eyeballs.
All right, are you ready to guess what this
Yeah.
is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready?
Hmm? You eating a chip? What is that?
Here, for you guys at home, see if you can guess what it is.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
Someone eating something?
Eating what?
Celery?
Almost.
Chips?
You want to hear? You guessed chips already. You got one more guess.
What is that?
You gotta guess. Are you
I
gonna
don't know.
give up? You give up?
No.
Last guess. You got 30 seconds. Play the sound one last time.
It sounds like somebody eating like carrot?
Yeah! That was me eating a carrot. I figured I would make a little sound for her, a little Foley work, while in case I needed a backup plan. So, you got the bonus round. So you win! Ding ding ding! She has better hearing recognition than me. Okay, well that's just going creepy with it. So let us know in the comments below if you guys were able to guess all of the sounds. Well, you kind of got
Here,
to see.
you're blindfolded.
But why don't you just close your eyes and listen to the video and see if you can guess what the sounds are. Or if you got that last one right of me eating some carrots. We appreciate you guys watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, let us know if you got all of them, and follow us on Instagram, which will be in the link. I don't know why I'm throwing this one at you. But we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful, spectacular, beautiful day. Ciao.
Peace out. Whoosh.